Hey guys, today we have this car jump starter with the LED flashlight and USB battery pack. So we're gonna be using this for our jumping cars. I have a couple dead battery in the car and we'll see if this will start the car. Alright, let's open this box. Alright, just quick look. Look pretty big. Might have a bag inside. Let's just open it up real quick. Still sealed. There you go. Just take my gloves off real quick. Alright. This is gonna come handy when you need it. If you're on travel, you want to be safe. If something happened to your car, this will jump your car. We have to test it if it's actually working pretty good. What do we have inside? Let's check it out. See? Let's check it out. So from the top side we have this cable. Okay. Very short cable, but still long enough for what we need. It does have a manual. Say car jump starter. Got indicator there, charger, USB. Let me see if I can. I'm not sure if this already have charge in it. Oh, it has a 84%. Can you see that? Yeah, 84%. It's pretty sleek though. That's where the port thing goes in. Got two USB. See that? Got a USB here, USB 1, USB 2, and the C port. I think this is a flashlight. There you go. It has a 16, what's that? WH 14.8 volts input. That's for the USB. Up to 9 volts. The other one is 5 volts only. USB 2. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, let's check the light out. Okay, so the flashlight. I think you press this one. You hold this button. There you go. That's the flashlight. You press another one. It'll blink faster. Another press, go back to steady mode, and then let's see how bright it is. And not too bright, but it's not bad for emergency. Like right now. Let's see if you can see from here. See, just for emergency light. Still have 83%. Turn it off, you just hold it. That's how I turn it off. Let's go ahead and try it. And let's jump start something. This one you just plug it in there. And it blinks. Alright, let's try it. Alright, so let's go ahead start this lawnmower. This one does not start, batteries dead, as you can see. You can hear it. Then let's go ahead and connect this one. We have 80% left. Go ahead, put the positive and the negative cable here. Make sure you press this button. Then that one started up pretty quick. One try. You remove this and start it off. The battery is really dead on this one. So that one started pretty good, and that one took out 1%. So now let's start it. Try to test it with the car. Alright, so this time let's go ahead try it with a truck. This truck here has been sitting for years. The battery is pretty much dead, 100% dead. So that's the battery we have. It's been here for a while. So you can see it's flat. This has not been moving. Let's try to start it. You can see nothing. There's no sign of power at all. So let's go ahead and hook it up with our battery charger jumper. Put the positive there and negative here. Press this one. So this one has 7 to 6 now. Let's go ahead with the key. This might not start. This probably just need to sit it for a little bit. Oh, it does have a light on. Okay, let's go start it. Something jumped there. So let's go ahead. Try something else. Oh, disconnected. That thing jumped. So I'm gonna go ahead, clamp that again. Then put it back. The positive terminal jump. So let's go ahead. Put the key in the ignition. Right here. It's blinking. Oh yeah. Look at that. That thing started. That started. This car not supposed to start at all, and it started it. The battery is really bad, so I did jump it. So let's go try it again. I want to make sure that it runs a little bit, but I did not expect that one. I'm gonna disconnect this. That's how you reset it. So let's get the power, positive, the negative here. Press that. Let's try to start it again. It's running. Yeah, something wrong with the engine, but it started the car. That is surprising pretty good. Alright guys, this is pretty good. ACMOUNT battery, car battery starter. Take it off. That's pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you like this one, this car jump starter. And I'm really using this. It's gonna be in good use. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.